Hi guys, today we are going to explain about the project called cyberbullying detection. So this is the cyberbullying detection in social networks, a comparison between the machine learning and transfer learning approaches. So this is the project title, and here we are using in machine learning we can use the NLP technique. So natural NLP means natural language processing. So in natural language processing, what we do means in normal machine learning we use textual. In normal machine learning we use CSV data or numerical data, but in NLP we are using the textual data. So when we are going to work on the textual data, we use natural language processing algorithms. So here we use the NLP processing. So in this one, what we do means we given the input, so we train the machine with some words which is bullied or which is not bullied. So based on that words, it will conclude that so these words are comes into bullying concept, and these words are comes into not bullying concept, like that. By detecting this bullying contact, we can easily approach the next process, like which person is bullying or which person is not bullying, which comments content bullying content, and which comment is not containing any bullying content, like that.